gonna put on the track a race car. Oh. Yo, what's up guys? Welcome back to my channel. Today we're doing some train versus a few things that I have. I got train versus silly string, then we got a race car, and we got some Mio. We got a Mio bottle, and we're gonna put it right here, and a train's gonna come by and run it over, and yeah, it's basically gonna be really stupid. We already see the lights, so the train's already coming. We kind of gotta hurry. All right, let's go. So here's our silly string. The train's gonna run it over this way. We got a Mio bottle, and we got a toy car. I got my GoPro up there too. We got a few cameras zoomed in, and we're just gonna see what happens. Make sure you guys like this video. Tell me if you guys want to see more of this, and I think it's just gonna explode. Hey, what you think's gonna happen?
Yeah, they're gonna explode, obviously.
All right, guys, train's coming. Oh God. Oh. Oh. It just popped, like we heard a big pop. Look at that. What? Okay, this is silly string. Oh, look at the GoPro. Oh. We got some silly string and Mio mixed together. This is a silly string can. It opened up. Where's the Mio bottle? Do you see the Mio bottle? Here, this is the Mio. It splattered everything.
Oh, what? Wait, what happened to the toy car?
It's the rest of the Mio bottle.
Dude, where's the car? Where's the toy car?
I don't know. We don't know what happened to the toy car now. We got the Mio bottle. Okay guys, we're looking for the toy car right now. All right guys, it made a pretty big explosion. We don't know what happened to the toy car though. The Mio and silly string basically both just kind of exploded, and we can't find the toy car. Oh, hey. No way. No way. Is it burning or anything? No. What? Nothing really happened to it. Dude, I think it just got like flung forward. It just got ran over. Look how far it went. No way. The toy car started way over there, and then it went all the way over. It probably just got like thrown forward, and now it was all gold spray paint, and some of the gold like got sprayed off of it.
Chip, yeah.
That's so sick. No way. Okay guys, that's it for this video. It's a pretty short video, and we pretty much just took silly string, a toy car, and Mio on a train track, and it got ran over and it pretty much exploded. The silly string and the Mio both exploded when it got ran over, and the race car just got like flung forward like 200 feet. And yeah, that's pretty much it. Thank you guys for watching. Make sure you subscribe, like the video, and I'll see you guys next Wednesday. Peace. Yeah.